This is hot. And it's only, let's see, can you see that? There we go, 19:35. And it's still hot and sunny in Halifax, Nova Scotia. We're waiting, oh, turn this around now, let's see, waiting at the Canadian restaurant for my buddy and his missus. Going on the Buell. Whoops. See that noise?
Some ducks nearby.
Here. And they're here. And John, we can't see John though. Yeah. Oh, nice white jacket. Cool, ready? Alright, we're gonna, oh, there he is. So it's Peggy's Cove, right? Peggy's Cove, for sure? Okay. Get ready. Now that we're here. John has his aviators on. Yeah, aviators. Okay, I have mine on. Aviator Club. Buell fan going. JB's here too. Yeah, Scott. No. Okay. And we're at beautiful Peggy's Cove.
It's gonna be a sunset really good.
It's gonna be awesome. Awesome. Wow, it's gonna be epic.
Yeah, it's gonna be a good one.
An epic sunset. It's probably like gonna piss some photographers off, like, don't stand in the way.
Oh, yeah.
I'm taking a picture.
Very good temperature here.
It's nice. Better than I expected.
Not cold at all. There's barely any wind, which is ironic.
Ironic.
It's weird.
Weird.
It's always windy here.
It was true. Actually, you're right. And it's not.
Yeah, it's always windy here.
Just for us.
Yeah, I checked the webcam before I came over here and made sure it
Oh,
wasn't foggy.
Oh, smart. Yeah, I didn't even thought of that. And they have plenty of them around, but
Yeah, there's one that's on that looking out this way. And then there's one in the village.
it's like a good spot here.
Let me check.
So peaceful. Isn't it?
It's beautiful. You can see for miles in either direction.
Pardon?
I was still pretty full from lunch, but
So you didn't have supper?
no, I'm starting to get a little
Didn't eat
hungry
anything
now.
Oh, you can always
Hamburgers for lunch, though.
do the classic Canadian thing, go to Tim Hortons after?
Can? Yeah.
Yeah?
Coffee.
Oh, I just heard a buzzing.
Yeah, you have mosquito in your hair.
Is it still?
One of those times I wish I had
Oh, I got it.
Oh, awesome.
Oh, it's still alive. Is it suffering? Oh no. It was so
Yeah.
I flat ironed it. I flat ironed it yesterday. Oh. No. Yeah. Is the road out of here lit well?
I don't know.
Is it not?
Fire headlights.
If not, though, we should probably leave before it gets too dark.
Why? Why, Marianne?
Yeah.
Because.
Why?
Are you
Why,
videoing?
scared?
No, I'm not.
Yes, he is.
Oh, the hair is being touched. The hair is being touched. Oh, really? More fireworks?
But this is nice. It's like, this is just making it even more perfect. I know. Like, it's really kind of a cliche.
It's like
It's already for the
night was designed for us.
It is, yeah. The night is designed for us. Aww. And my battery's going dead, which sucks. Awesome. You said, do you say awesome?
No.
Oh, you did.
No.
You did. And this is going to be the ending video now for
Say that.
my battery's going dead.
Yeah, I do have like my good sunglasses that are my prescription sunglasses, but the ones that are my contacts, I just get cheap. I have a couple cheap pairs for contacts. I also have prescription ones.
The last prescription, so it's a little weird.
Oh, okay.
A little warped. Have you taken another video?